So team, this is an architecture diagram of our Apex platform. It is important to understand that how this has been placed. I'll quickly go through this. This is huge architecture, but I'll try to cover it fast. At the bottom layer, this architecture has to be seen from bottom to top. If you look at the bottom side, I've got a databases. So all these three databases are supported. In our coming releases, you would see more and more databases. The tool is offered via SaaS platform, but there are certain cases in case if any customer needs on-prem, we can provide it, right? The heart of the application is service experience layer, and then that's where the power of this platform comes in. We have got a table designer through which we can design any tables. The form designer allows us to create any application, any process, modify any existing of the application. So all that happens with the form builder using drag and drop. We have got a powerful workflow designer, and that's we had been talking. Workflow designer allows us to create any workflows, be it simple, be it complex. There could be 100 levels of approval. You wanted to change the value based on, I'll give you an example. Let's assume if I create a workflow for a laptop order, which is again on the IT side, right? If there's one, if I say I need one laptop, the approver can go to my manager. But if I say I need hundreds of laptop or probably 100 laptop for my project, I can, based on that value, I can make it complex and the CFO of the company would approve it because the cost has gone beyond certain limit. So all those complexity, I just gave you one of this very simple complexity. There could be lot and lot complexity which can be configured on this platform using drag and drop. Business rule designer, again, if you wanted to put certain conditions, certain flow conditions, that can be done using business rule designer. And then it is important that we need a notification designer wherein we need to inform our stakeholders that what is happening on the system. And there are multiple channels which are supported for notification designer, Teams, email, and SMS. SLA designer, word itself is clear. You can create your own SLAs. There could be set of SLAs which can be created on this platform. And then to see all this data, there's reporting and analytics, and then everything can be scheduled. So rather than user coming to a platform, the email would be sent to the users for a report and analytics, and these analytics and reports could be persona based. Okay, we have got service portal, which is for a landing page of an application, which is important piece. Tool supports localization, multiple languages are supported. Mobile App Studio to create a mobile version of an application, and then themes. So the platform is flexible enough to create any kind of themes. It can take your logos, themes, color palettes, font, everything can be configured. This is entire piece low code, no code. On the right hand side, I have got a pro code wherein in case if we wanted to do certain kind of service automation, right, we can consume the library which is available. There are 1,000+ skills available. Skills are nothing but scripts for creation of any kind of an activity. It can starting from onboarding of users to creation of VM, and then there are many, many, many. Okay, we have got an integration hub through which we can connect with any third-party system. There's a HTML and CSS TypeScript available, so to control the end user scripting of the end user page for doing any kind of configuration. So there are 70+ controls available, but in case if you wanted to go beyond that, these three languages are supported. Now, if you look at it, the entire left-hand side piece, which is low code, no code, covering 85 to 90%. And then on the right-hand side, I've got 15 to 10% of the space. And that's how the platform has been designed. 85 to 90% of things can be done without writing a piece of code, and only 10 to 15% things require coding. We have got Eureka platform. This is our own platform. It supports machine learning models. It has got LLMs. At the moment, we work on OpenAI, but there are large language models which are getting developed and which can hook up to this particular Eureka platform. In case if customer has got any of their own platforms, we can attach with this. The system is capable of doing predictive, contextual, and intelligence AI. Right, you can generate data from this system. So till this layer, I have got a platform which supports multi-domain. It's secure and compliant. It's highly flexible and configurable, and it is highly scalable as well. These are the four applications which are available on this architecture. These are just a sample. You would see many more applications which would get added to this list. So currently we have got service management, we have got asset management, we have got enterprise service management, which can go for non-IT department, which can go beyond IT, could be finance, legal, HR, so on and so forth. And then there is facility app, which is available for facility management. And we also have an asset management, and then there's service automation copilot. These are different products which work on top of it. If we move up, we have got a copilot, and which is what we would be demonstrating. right? So I'll hold my thoughts for Copilot and I'll demonstrate that. The tool supports or the platform supports multiple browsers, which is Google, Edge, Firefox, Safari. These are the collaboration channels through which we can communicate. There's out-of-box email integration available, mobile app integration available, and CTI integration for voice calls. Uh, in the system, there are three personas available to consume this entire set of platform: end user, analyst, and executive. But this is not the limit. In case if we wanted to have any custom role, can be created using drag and drop and can be attached to user for that kind of an access in the system. I know I was pretty fast because looking at the time, I have to cover other pieces, but